Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn all about the verb pop. You might know the meaning of pop as explode, but it actually has a different meaning, which is very typical in everyday spoken English. If you do find the video helpful, then please hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Pop is a transitive verb. That means that it needs an object. Now, you'll see what I mean by that in a moment with all the examples we're going to look at. It means to come or go somewhere quickly or for a short time. So we only use pop if we're going to stay in a place for a short period of time or go there very quickly. Now, when I say object, in this case, I mean somewhere. So it's always followed by a place. I need to pop to the shops on the way home. So to the shops, that is our object. And that means that I need to go to the shops quickly on my way home. I'm not going to spend a long time there. Can you pop into my office before you leave? So imagine a work context. You want to speak with one of your colleagues, just a short conversation. Can you pop into my office? I'm just popping out. I'll be back soon. So here, out, it's non-specific. You don't know where I'm going, but I'm going out. And if we say popping out, that means that I will not be out for a long time. Why don't you pop round for a coffee later? We could also say, why don't you pop over for a coffee later? Both these phrases have exactly the same meaning. So here, pop round, pop over, this specifically means to someone's house. So if I say to you, why don't you pop round for a coffee later? I mean, why don't you come to my house for a coffee later? And I just want to emphasize again that with pop, you're talking about a short visit. So pop round for a coffee, maybe half an hour, maybe an hour, but you're not spending the whole evening. If I want you to come and spend the whole evening, then I would say, why don't you come round for a coffee later? So pop for a short time. Just popping over to Gemma's to borrow something. So here, popping over, we're going to somebody's house. To Gemma's, it's Gemma's house. We don't need to say, I'm popping over to Gemma's house, because that's understood by the use of the verb popping over. Now, if you want to learn more about the verb borrow, then you can watch my video, Borrow versus Lend, What's the Difference? I'll put the link down below in the description. Can you pop by later? I need to give you something. Now, pop by is a great one to use. This just means to come to my location. So if I'm at home and I say to you, can you pop by? This means I want you to come to my house. If I'm at work, can you pop by? I want you to come and see me at my place of work. So you can use pop by in any location when you want somebody to come and see you for a short time at that location. Now the final example. I'm just popping to the loo. Back in a sec. So there's a couple of things here that you might be wondering. The loo is the toilet or the bathroom. This is very, very typical in British English. Where's the loo? I'm just popping to the loo. And a sec is just another way of saying a second. So back in a sec. For more important everyday vocabulary, then take a look at my video, Essential British Slang Everyday Vocab. I'll put the link down below in the description. And don't forget to tell me what you thought in the comments section. For more English tutorials, then take a look at my channel. I've got vocabulary, grammar, and also exam practice. And if you do like the content, then please like and subscribe to see more. See you in the next video.